While the Soul and Niro are Kia's popular nameplates in the US subcompact segment, the Seltos, introduced in 2020, is now ahead of both models in sales. Development of the next-gen Kia Seltos is underway, with a hybrid variant also included in the planned lineup. Before we go to the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay up to date with future hybrid SUVs. Last November, South Korean publication Chosun Biz learned that the next-gen Seltos will receive a hybrid option. The plan was reportedly confirmed during the Kia Labor Management Employment Stability Committee, with production of the Seltos electrified variant assigned to the Autoland Gwangju factory. Moreover, at the 2024 Kia CEO Investor Day, the company's president, Chosun Biz, confirmed the development of a next-gen hybrid system for subcompact vehicles. While Som didn't confirm the recipients, the Seltos, which is a top seller, should get this system first. Although test prototypes are yet to be spotted, we expect the next-gen Seltos to take on a more dominating and premium look. As with recent Kia designs, we expect the SUV to adopt the Constellation-inspired, star map lighting elements. Our rendering imagines the Seltos taking on vertical grille slots and lower bumpers with a skid plate for rugged appeal. We've also added a floating roof effect, flush door handles, and a large greenhouse, which improves the presence of the SUV. The interior of the Seltos is also set for a revamp, taking cues from the playbook of recent Kia SUVs, including the EV9 and Sorento. It is expected to feature a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment display, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functions. A column-mounted gear selector is expected to open up more storage in the front cabin, while features like a wireless phone charger, digital key, and a premium audio system are expected to round out the equipment. Although Kia hasn't offered information, the new hybrid system is expected to feature a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated engine. We expect the powertrain to develop about 150 horsepower, return around 45 miles per gallon, offering a balance of power, efficiency, and cost. Production of the Kia Seltos Hybrid will start in 2025, as per the Chosun Biz report. Therefore, we think the US launch of the next-gen Seltos series could follow in early 2026, 6 years after the local release of the first-gen model. Given that Kia is continuing to launch more hybrids, it's likely that the next-gen Seltos will list a hybrid variant in the US. If brought stateside, the variant is expected to start at just under $30,000. Which improvements are you looking forward to in the new Seltos? Let us know with a comment below, and we'll see you in our next video.